Are you thinking about buying CTemplar VPN? Before you make a decision, there are 12 things you need to know about this service to see if it truly measures up to the competition. First off, CTemplar VPN emphasizes privacy, which is the foundation of its appeal. While many VPNs claim to prioritize privacy, CTemplar stands out by offering a strong no-logs policy. This means they don't track or store your online activities, which is crucial if you're looking for total anonymity. However, keep in mind that its headquarters is in Iceland, which has strong privacy laws but isn't immune to potential government intervention. Next thing, speed is always a big consideration with any VPN, and CTemplar doesn't perform as well as some of its competitors here. While it's perfectly fine for casual browsing, you may notice slower speeds if you're streaming high-definition videos or engaging in activities that require a lot of bandwidth. Competitors like NordVPN and ExpressVPN typically offer better speed performance across a wide range of servers. The third thing to consider is server availability. CTemplar offers a decent number of servers, but they don't have as many as the top-tier VPN providers. With a smaller server network, you might experience congestion during peak times. Bigger names like ExpressVPN boast over 3,000 servers in multiple countries, giving them an edge in terms of reliability and options. Next thing is CTemplar's encryption standards. It uses AES 256 encryption, which is the gold standard for VPNs, providing military-grade security. While this is excellent for ensuring your data remains private, it's not unique to CTemplar. Most reputable VPN services also use AES 256. The fifth thing to know is its user interface. CTemplar is simple to use, making it accessible for beginners. However, it doesn't have the most polished app experience compared to services like ExpressVPN, which offers a sleek, intuitive design that many find easier to navigate. The sixth thing is its pricing model. CTemplar offers affordable subscription plans, making it an appealing choice for budget-conscious users. That being said, there are other VPNs in a similar price range, such as CyberGhost, that provide more features and a larger server network. The seventh thing is its ability to unblock content. While CTemplar does a solid job of bypassing some regional restrictions, it's not as reliable with services like Netflix or Hulu, where bigger VPNs like NordVPN excel. If unblocking streaming services is a priority for you, you might be disappointed. The eighth thing to consider is the lack of advanced features compared to its competition. CTemplar lacks some of the more advanced features offered by other VPN providers, such as split tunneling or dedicated IP addresses, which could be a deal breaker for some users. Next thing, CTemplar VPN's customer support is available 24/7 through email and live chat. However, response times can be slower compared to other premium VPN services, which offer faster and more comprehensive support options. The 10th thing is the lack of a free version or a long free trial. CTemplar doesn't offer a free version, which is typical for a VPN with strong privacy promises. However, some top competitors, like ProtonVPN, offer a free version with limited features, which may be an advantage for those looking to test out a VPN before committing. The 11th thing is its compatibility across devices. CTemplar is compatible with most major platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. But compared to competitors like ExpressVPN, which also supports routers, smart TVs, and gaming consoles, CTemplar could feel a bit limited in terms of device support. And finally, let's talk about its trustworthiness. CTemplar is relatively new, and while it has built a solid reputation for privacy, it doesn't have the long track record of other well-established VPNs like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Some users might feel more comfortable sticking with a VPN provider with years of proven reliability. So, overall, CTemplar VPN is a solid choice for anyone prioritizing privacy, but it falls short in some areas, like speed and advanced features, compared to the more established competitors. If you're looking for a better option, we recommend checking out our top choice, which you can try for free.